Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 1550, 3 consecutive odds. This is an easy problem and here I will show you my approach and efficient solution, so keep watching. We are given an array and we need to return true if there are 3 consecutive odd numbers, otherwise we return false. First I will show you my approach so you can try solve this on your own and then we'll go over the code. So let's say we have this array and we have a count which is initially 0. And now we are iterating this array from left to right. So first the I pointer is here and we are checking if this is an odd number. We can check if a number is odd by taking the number, mod it by 2, and if this is 1 it's odd, if it's 0 it's even. So 1 is odd, so every time we find an odd number we add 1 to the count. So now the count is 1. Now the I pointer is here and 2 is even, so every time we find an even number our count will be 0 again. Because remember we are trying to find 3 consecutive odd numbers. So now we update I. Now 34 is also even, so the count is still 0. Next 3 is odd, so the count is now 1. Next 4 is even, so the count is 0 again. Next 5 is odd, so we add 1 to the count. Next 7 is odd, so we add another 1 to the count. This is now 2. Next 23 is odd, so we add another 1 here, and this is now 3. And if at any time the count is 3, this means we found 3 consecutive odd numbers. So in this case we return true. Now if we reach the end of the array and we never return true, we return false. Now this is the entire approach and I think that with this in mind you can try solve this on your own, but if you didn't, here we go with the code. First we'll say the count is 0 and now for every number in the array, if the number modded by 2 equals 1, we add 1 to the count. Else the count is 0 again. And if at any time the count is equal to 3, we return true. And if we reach the end of the loop and we never return true, we return false. This is the entire code and now we will submit this and see if it works. And as you can see, this works and it's very efficient. The time complexity for this one is big O of n and space complexity is big O of 1. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.